Do the intro, Tom.
Okay, so here's the final trial run of our project. With everything working all together, we have an LCD display, a relay which will run our pump, and as well as a actuator that will feed our plant system. Here's the keypad. So we use this keypad here to tell the PIC how much time we want each thing to be running and when to end it as well. We also have a water sensor up here, which when it's in water will turn on this light, letting you know that the system is ready to be used. So now let's put some power to this thing. All right.
There's the green LED showing that the water level sensor's on. Oh, yep, there it is.
Okay.
There's our control menu. It says 4 to hit the pump, 7 to control the feeder. So we're going to go and hit 4. And there's our pump interval. You increase with 7, decrease with 1.
So I'm going to increase it so it's running for 5 seconds on. Press 4 to move to the next menu. Now I'm going to say the pump to be off for 5 seconds as well. So then it's going to ask me, do I want to run the system? And I don't yet because I want to program the feeder as well. So I'm going to go to 7, and I want the feeder to be off for 5 seconds here, and it's going to kick back on. The feeder does 1 full rotation as its time on, so we don't have a time on for it. So anyway, now we're ready to run the system, so we press 4. As you can hear, that was the relay kicking on. I don't have the pump connected to it. So
that was the relay turning the pump off.
And now in 5 seconds it's going to kick on this guy right here. And then it's on, and then it's going to repeat after 5 seconds.
And then right there goes the pump again. And then if we were to pull the water level sensor out, it'll finish its cycle. So there goes the feeder. It's going to wait for the feeder to go off. And then it buzzes at you. You put it back in the water, and the system turns right back on. And then if you hit the 7 button, what it does is it waits for the last cycle to go through. So there goes the feeder again. Wait for the feed off interval. And you're right back to the main menu. Everything stopped, you can control new times, and it'll start right back over. And since we have the buzzer only go off when the system is running, this allows you to get everything set up without having to deal with water in the bucket right away. See, it's not buzzing now.
But the light is off, indicating that you do need to fill the bucket to the correct level.
Yes, that way you won't have that annoying buzzing while you're filling it up. You just fill it up to see the green LED, and then you're good to go. And only buzz at you when you have the system running and no water, because that could create problems. All right, now we just got to put it together, and we'll have one more video. Wave to the camera, Tom.
Hey.